Hello, my name is Brooklyn Lewis. I am a 17-year-old senior and I attend Westminster High School. As a scholar, future goals I have set for myself include graduating college with a minimum 3.5 GPA or higher. Secondly, is to get accepted into the nursing program that fits me best and allows me to grow and develop as a student. And thirdly, is to start a small business outside of my career, dealing with real estate and selling homes and renting them out to people. In the future, I aspire to become a psychiatric nurse practitioner. In this, I will be assessing, diagnosing, and treating people with mental health needs. On the path of becoming a psychiatric nurse practitioner, I will choose to travel around the country to different hospitals, giving nothing but the best care, as my main goal in life is to become a light in the medical field as a whole. Some talents of mine include playing the clarinet since the age of 10, as well as being a part of my church, New Antioch Baptist Church, dance ministry, and singing choir since the age of 5. In the future, I plan to give back to my community by setting up healthcare and mental health care booths for urban communities. With this, as rates of crime and violence and substance abuse in Baltimore City has been at an all-time high this year, I plan to administer free naloxone, an overdose reverser, in healthcare booths that can really reduce the rates of which people are having deaths and overdoses in the city. Along with naloxone, the reverser drug to an overdose, being prescribed in the care booths that I will have set up in the future, I feel as though it is appropriate for it to also be allowed in pharmacies and prescribed by doctors to have easy access to in any healthcare settings. In my opinion, the most challenging thing that Black African American teens face today is in the realm of mental health and dealing with it in such a society we have today. As a Black teen myself, I feel as though there are many factors in our day-to-day life that can have a large effect on our mental health overall. Factors being school, extracurricular activities, workload, as well as your home environment can all have a large effect on your overall mental health as a teen. In conclusion, I wish for all Black African American teens to find help and resources that best suits them. It could be therapy, speaking to a parent if they feel comfortable, or a friend, honestly. My biggest inspiration in life is principal ballerina Misty Copeland. Being a dancer myself, Misty Copeland gave me the confidence in my abilities from a very young age. Growing up in the dance community, the way you looked was held at a very high standard, which could be toxic in a way. Things such as body dysmorphia, bulimia, and anorexia, and other mental health issues were very common in the dance realm. For myself personally, I struggled with being a very muscular dancer from a very young age. Being in classes, I noticed that many girls had smaller statures than I did and less muscle than I did, which in a way lowered my self-esteem for a long time. But seeing Misty Copeland dance and seeing how her muscles and everything just works in such a magical and majestic way, it really taught me to embrace my muscles and not change my body for anyone or anything and be content in the skin that I'm in. I feel as though the school system can help students better achieve is by hiring a certain standard of teachers in the school environment as a whole. Teachers play a big role in the way in which students will do in the class or honestly in any other career aspiration that they choose. If a teacher is less engaged or lacks enthusiasm with their students, the students are going to show this in the work that they do in the classroom. A teacher that sticks to the same routine, shows minimum effort in the projects or activities that the students should be involved in, her students are probably not going to be as motivated or looking forward to go to that class on a daily basis. On the other hand, a teacher that is wanting to see growth and development in their students, willing to do their job, and showing personality and enthusiasm will have a very positive outcome in the work that their students do. Thank you, Ms. Marsha Coleman, for being a beacon of education. Thank you, Delaney Alexis, Phyllis Coley, the Board of Directors, staff, and consultants, Pure Potential Enterprises, Inc., for this 2023 scholarship opportunity.